Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to organize data in Google Sheets. So in order to sort your data, you will have to select the whole table, and now head over to data and sort range. Here click on advanced range sorting options, and as you can see, if your table has a header row, select this box so this sort range option will know that you have a header row. Now you can sort it by sales date, order number, or revenue as it is in your header row. So let's say I want to sort it by date. From A to Z means from the oldest to the newest, and from Z to A is from the newest to the oldest. So select which one you want and click sort. Right now you can see that it is from the newest to the oldest. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.